stopped right here where he's standing at. And then as soon as I crossed, she got out. I said, she got out. And then she came out and she grabbed my arm like this. She grabbed my arm and she pushed me back. And then he came out on the other side of me and he grabbed my throat and he pushed me down right there in the bush right there. And then he told me to give him all my stuff and I said no. And I started kicking them and then he kicked me inside. And then he took my...
That's it. I saw the tag.
We got it.
Hey, let me see your hands. Is anybody else in the car? Your girlfriend? Open the car door. Get out of the car door. Put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Stop reaching around. Don't reach. Do not reach. Do not reach.
Okay. Alright. You got any weapons on you?
Are you okay?
Hey.
I don't have nothing to do with what he got going on.
Okay, I got you.